look at this second method of factorization by grouping terms. So last time we learned factorization by taking out common. Now this one is by grouping terms. So look at the first question. You got here ax plus ay minus bx minus by. Now here you need to group a pair of terms. So usually we take this two as one group and this two as another group. So this may not be true for all cases. In some questions it can be different groups also. So either this two also can be one group, but you have to look at few points before we decide group. So in this case, if I choose this one as one group and this two as this one, the other one as another group, then from here you got ax and here you got ay. In both we get a as common, so that will come out as common. Then from the first we got x plus, and from the second we got y, because a is out. Now if you look at the second one, bx and by, in both we got b common, so that will come out as common. And here you got x remaining and you got y remaining, but here you could see there I have changed the sign. The reason is, if there is plus in front it makes no difference, but if there is minus in front, so it will change the sign. Now here you understood that b is common. Now here even this minus is also common, so this minus sign remains as it is. Now this minus sign will change the sign of this two. So x minus bx, this bx had a sign minus. Now it will change the sign since b is out, so x was minus, now it will be plus. And this by, again b is out, here also the sign is minus, so it will change the sign to plus. So if there is minus in front, you have to be very careful, because this will change the sign. If there is plus in front, makes no difference. Here you can see it is same, but here if minus is in front, so it will change the sign. Minus x becomes plus x, and plus y and minus y becomes plus y. Suppose you had here plus, then it becomes minus. Now over here in grouping, what you need to check is, after taking out the common, the factors that we get here, the remaining term, this two must be same. If they are not same, here even though you got x and y, but here you got plus, here you got minus, that means it is not correct. That means you have to change the pair. So here I took this to pair and this to pair, and here we are getting same, means this is correct. And if you do not get, then you have to change the pair. So take this two and take this two. So in the next question I'll explain that particular question. Now from both we can see x plus y is out, common, so it will be out. So what is left? A minus b. So this is your answer. Now look at the second question. Now here also I made a pair, this pair as one group, this pair as another group. From here both contains y, so y is out as common. So what is left from the first? From x, y is out, so you find x here minus. If I have already mentioned, if there is plus in front, it makes no difference, sign remains as it is. Now this y is also out, so don't write here 0, because when you multiply back you must get this one again, y into x, xy, plus into minus, minus, y ones are y. If you write here 0, then y into 0, it will be 0, so that means it will be wrong. Now look at the second one. Now from here we don't find anything as common, so you cannot write 0. So here if there is nothing as common, then you have to write 1, because here we got x into 1 and 1 into 1, that 1 we don't write, so that particular 1 is out. So again here you can see there is minus in front, so this minus will change the sign of x as plus, and this plus 1 will become minus. Now here again you can see these two terms, they are same. That means our grouping was correct. Then this will come out as common. Then what is left? Y minus 1. So now let us check the third question. Now here we got the question as a square plus 3b plus 3a plus ab. So I have made here cross sign, so you will understand why I have done like this. Now if you look at this pair, first pair, if I choose this two pair as one group, this two pair as another group, here I don't find anything as common, but here we find a as common. So here we get 3 and in front there is plus, makes no difference, so this is b. So we did not get this two same, that means this group is not correct. So we'll change the group. So I took first this two, then I'll take now this two, this 3b and plus 3a plus ab. Now I'll bring this in front, I'll take this at the back. So I'm taking this two as group. This is one pair and this is another pair. If you do not get with this also, then you have to try with the first and the last, second and the third. So now let us check this one. I made a group with this two and this two. Now in this two, a square means a into a, so a is common. So from here a remains plus 3. Here there is plus. Now here this plus makes no difference. So from this 2 we find b is common. So b is out. So from here b is out, 3 remains and plus makes no difference. This plus remains as it is. From a b is out. So what is left? A. So here you find though this looks different, but it is same. If there is plus, a plus 3 and 3 plus a means same, but a minus 3 and 3 minus a, they are not same, they are different. If there is minus, you have to be careful. So this 3 plus a we can write as a plus 3. So you can see here this two we are getting same, that means this grouping was correct, first and third, second and the last. Now this will come out as common. So what is left? A plus b. So this is your required solution.